All right. So let's first of all let's have a look at what is a bot. Well, yeah, what is a bot? It is an automated program that interacts with people. Like you log on to your website, there is a pop-up Q&A pop-up that comes in on the left or the bottom right corner. There is a logic predefined that is integrated by a developer or programmer, and that a bot interacts through that logic with the questions that is often asked. Like it's kind of an FAQ if you're logging on to a website. The logic behind a bot is designed by the programmer and which is programmed by the bot or the creator. It will often with the help of tools like the Microsoft bot framework. So you put the logic behind a bot through Microsoft framework and you create a bot using Microsoft Azure services. And what is a QnA Maker? QnA Maker is one of the AI services, artificial intelligent services that can help a bot answer your users' natural language questions by matching them with the best possible answers from the knowledge base that we create. So we have to feed the knowledge into the bot through a QnA Maker, which is an AI service provided the which can help a bot answer to the questions in the natural language. So we have know what a bot is, we know what a Q&A maker is. The learning objectives are same that will design a bot, an FAQ bot with the Q&A maker and then integrate it with the Azure bot service. And let's meet in the next section and continue further.